a chair and join me today. Out in my workshop, I'm tinkering away. Wand above staring down on me. Wonder what my next project will be. Working on my Johnson, my Mercury Mark 10. Firing up my StarCraft to fish again. Grab your friends and your dog is too, to watch Tim's Workshop on my YouTube.
Hey, welcome to Tim's Workshop out here in the mini shed. It's a rainy, cold day in April. So it's springtime, but it's still cold. Fishing season doesn't start for a couple more weeks yet. By the time you see this video up, it'll probably be summer. It'll probably be nice and warm. I'm way ahead on videos, by the way. So anyway, we're going on to part 3 of the 1947 Johnson 5-horse TD-20, the paint restore and decal. We're doing the teardown, so this is part 3 of the teardown. We're going to get the bolt out of there, the broken bolt and all that, get the head off, get everything separated so it's ready to start sanding and painting. Alright, so you like the video, please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell. If you like, give me a like, hit the old hand thing, and let your friends and family, and your doggies too, know about Tim's Workshop on my YouTube. Okay, well, let's get going on this vintage outboard motor. Well, I'll see if I can get that out. It looks like somebody already tried to get it out and they gave up. Well, they gave up too soon. Let's see if I can get it out. All right, let's give it a try. Vice grips. It's moving. Well, my camera went dead. I lost track of how much time I had left on it. Anyway, I did get the bolt out, and that's what's left of it. Got it all out. Yay! So, that's all good. Need to resurface this thing, get the pistons down, and then resurface it. I got to get this cover off. Got to take the carburetor off first. So I think in order to get this head off, I got to get this loose here, this off, and this out. So the same thing on this side over here, this out and this out. The motor on the trans would get as much off as possible before taking the head off, but it doesn't look that bad to get the head off of this thing. It's pretty easy actually.